Are you thinking of starting a career in digital marketing? If yes, then it's a great choice, and I can tell you without hesitation how to get into this industry and what are the strategies to use as a fresher to land a profitable job. In today's video, we are going to sharing some strategies to become a successful digital marketer. Understanding what the digital marketing is and its primary component are the obvious first step for those who are new to the field. Digital marketing has various elements such as SEO, paid advertisement, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, but it's important to realize that a digital marketing strategy might involve a variety of techniques and channels, not just one field. A good digital marketer should have an understanding of all the necessary skills, and having the required skills will assist in building a successful career. Learning with the help of comprehensive learning, digital marketing course can work wonders for your career. Digital marketing industry requires you to have a good communication skill. As the industry is focused on effective communication both in real and digital world. No matter what position you have, you should make an effort to develop soft skills. Also, to have cordial teamwork and achieve a common objective, soft skills are necessary. Make sure you network with digital marketing experts both online and offline. If you want to acquire a field job in this market, you may interact with digital marketing professionals on a variety of social media sites, including LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Attending meetups and seminars on digital marketing also is a beneficial option. These are the great opportunities to network, connect with more established individuals, and break into digital marketing industry. To connect and build your network, freelance opportunities can work wonders for you. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr make it easy to search for digital marketing project, which is a great way to build your resume as well as connect with the future clients. Applying yourselves is the process of learning is one of the most important strategies when it comes to building a successful career. The process of learning can made easy through with the help of digital marketing course. You can take the digital marketing course to know more about the same. For more informative videos on digital marketing, do consider to subscribing to the channel. And if you love this video, then share with your friends and comment us which type of information you want in our future video. Till then, have a good day you all.